Let's welcome our first speaker. Alan Wu from SNS is here to talk about a proven roll-to-roll production solution for NFC antennas. So please join me in welcoming Alan.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, again, today is a good opportunity. And first, today my speech, this solution is not white card. So what I mean is the solution is only for RFID. So I think this is something very different. Today you heard about the presentation, and every presentation will have a new horizon to produce a lot of stuff. But in my presentation is only a production solution for RFID. And I used to have a presentation before lunch, so I think the lunch presentation is already tough. But I find the afternoon presentation is more tougher because everybody is sleepy. Yeah? So, okay, just 15 minutes. Yeah? I will try to have my presentation as appetizing as possible. Okay, who we are and what we have done. Okay, actually, we are from smart car business. So that's very important. We are not just because of this hype, this booming of printed electronic, IoT, and we jump into this business. Not. We already in this business. So we exactly know what the technology is necessary to improve from etching process, from so-called substitute manufacturing into additive manufacturing. So 2014, we start to try to print antenna on paper. Yeah. And then the 2022, we get this certification for ISO biodegradable certificate. We're still the only one in RFID supply chain worldwide who has this certificate. And then we began the mass production of UHF. Later, I will show you the difference UHF and HF. UHF is very easy. That is a dipole antenna, only one layer. And UHF require at least 3 layers. So that is different. And 2024, our product, we get this paper recycling certificate. And then over the year, luckily we surpassed 45 million cards and label from HF and UHF. So I think today we are talking about not a model, not a pilot run. It's a real mass production solution. And our team, I'm proud to have this 24. We have only 24, that's true. My 24 co-workers, they need to design antenna, they need to design process, and they need to make production quality good. I'm proud of them, yeah? And we focus on OEM, ODM supply of this product. And we are committed to sustainable RFID innovation. It means we only use additive technology, and we only print on paper. Although we can print on PET, but I think that is not meaning for our roadmap. And okay, according to our customer, okay, some of our customers, they are first-tier company, okay, and we are really experts in RFID antenna that make with additive manufacturing. Yeah. Okay, when we start a business, and that's our target. We climb, we reach the peak. Okay, that is beautiful. And we start to do this printed antenna for RFID. And when we start, oh my goodness, it's a long and winding road. Yeah, that is good dream. Yeah, when we start to doing something, everything is good. We think about if one day, very soon, we reach the peak and we have a nice view to see whole the horizon. But when we start, that is not easy. It's a long and winding road. Over the year, I think we spent almost 10 years to bring this product to market. Yeah. And why? Why is long and winding road? Because I just talking about RFID. I'm not talking about